everybody, and thank you for watching. This is an update like promised for the Oswego project. Here we have nothing that has really changed, and sometimes things that you have planned don't go by schedule, which is okay. So we're just waiting now. All the inspections have passed. We had to come back after an inspection for the electrical to fix some minor things that the electricians didn't do to pass the inspection, which is pretty normal and standard in the construction industry, because not always do you do everything correctly. There's unforeseen things. So just a little bit about the update. We're just waiting now for our turn to do the sheetrock and the installation, because last week we had the people scheduled, the contractors, to come in, do the installation and the drywall work. So now we're just waiting for our turn to get in and get all of that done. Hopefully we'll get fit in next week, but we'll see, and we'll keep you updated. So it's going to turn out great. Everything's ready for sheetrock. All we're doing is just waiting at this point. So we'll get you another update next week, so stay tuned, and thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Everybody have a good night.